Hello and welcome back to IdeaPlex. Today in part 6 of our comprehensive Shopify ad series, we'll teach you how to create Facebook lead ads that capture valuable leads and build a thriving email list. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to grow your email list and unlock the full potential of email marketing for your Shopify store. So guys, today we are talking about Facebook leads. If you have your own product, if you want people to message you directly, or you want to fill a form, that is, if you put an ad in it, then people can send you an instant message through the form without any need to create anything. You can get the form filled from over here. So today you are going to learn that if you have your own product, then today we are going to learn the same. How can you generate leads? Keep it simple, brother. You will find it here on Google Chrome, and after coming to Google Chrome, you will get Facebook app here. You can see everything on Facebook. You can put any ad. You can put it on Google Chrome through Facebook. Do not put it on Facebook Direct app from Facebook app. Do not install app from anywhere. You have to install from Play Store or App Store. You all go here through Google Chrome. One more thing to keep in mind, brother, whatever page you create, make everything a proper page. Just add some posts. Do it along with the props and posts. Include your own props, profile picture. And for the time being today, our first session which we talked about was about traffic, and yesterday we talked about how to organize engagement ads. Today we are talking about lead, then we will talk about our last remaining features. In what way can you apply it? Awareness and app promotion will be your choice. After tomorrow, your task will be to set the scene. How can you set the scene? For now, today we are going to learn. See, everything is different. Everything is a little different there. In lead, you can create instant forms here. You can send messages to people here, and you can generate messages from people on Instagram. They will message you. Where can you send them? You can also make a call directly. We will continue first. Let's see what is the system inside it. It is a simple manual lead camp. So you have to select it and then click on continue. And as you continue, you will have 3 pages filled from there, and look a little, there will be a little difference in between here. Please enter your according name and do. I will tell you about the winning products at the end, where will you find everything you edit completely, and I will paste everything for you. Last, don't worry. Here you guys can select any simple campaign name, and after that we will do it. Which is our important second and third page. We are calling something here page 1 section. Okay, you are here according to us. Here is page 1 page. I will put the same name here. And now there is an option for conversion. It makes sense to say that, brother, how do you want to generate your traffic? If you want to create a form on your website and want people to fill that form, then you can create an instant form from here. If you want people to message you on your messenger, then you can create a messenger chat. If you want people to call you, you can select call. Where people message you on Instagram, look into this. You go and see that the option of form has been flooded. Yesterday's option has been flooded. The option of still form messenger has increased. Here you see that yesterday you did not get so many options. But today some options are posted here and some options are not there. So today we are talking about how you can create forms. Here you will see your Facebook page, whatever you have connected here, and you will get an option maximize number of leads here. No one wants to leave it. If you have more leads than brother, then leave it. Whatever result is acceptable to me. There it is, and it is simple. Here again we come back to the same. Brother, you have to budget according to your ad. If your daily budget is 500, then you will budget 500 here. It's worth 800. Picking there. Whatever amount you want from the budget, you can start it here. And if you want to start your business, then you can start it here. By setting up the date here, you will also do it according to yourself. When you are placing an ad, then you are doing the end. If there is an ad there, then you have to do everything according to yourself here and scroll a little here and one more time. You will get the option here. Switch original audience. For the time being, we will tap it on the original audience here, and we have a lot of audience here. Now it comes in the option here. So currently, if you are advertising in India, then you have to keep India as the geolocation. And you will get an option. Remember that whatever happens next, I have always told you, whatever happens next depends on your product. How is your product? As per your product, you will have to move ahead by targeting it accordingly. Here it is as simple as this, and whatever is here is simple, and practice according to you. Remember, you have to select here according to the type, and in gender, if you have select man product, then you can select women. If you have woman product, then select if you have any such product which is for both men and women. If you purchase both, you can also select all pay here. How to do detailed targeting, how you will be able to target people based on interest behavior. Here we will learn about sales wall ad, or there will be a separate session for it there. And if you place an ad in the language India, then the language you can use is Hindi, English. Okay. You can attract traffic to you. You can also generate all these details here, complete details of the ad. I am teaching you in here. If your entire Facebook ad gets covered in this, then in future you can generate anything through it here. You can generate leads, you can organize engagement ads, you can create an automation there, let your audience pay you here. Look, this happened to our audience. Now, whatever ad we have will be seen only by these people. From behind it will be seen by the 45-year-olds and English UK, English that and Hindi whatever. Whoever has selected this language back in their device will see this ad there. You have a simple placement option here, you can edit it there. For manual placement, you have to come here and go to manual placement page. After coming here, you can remove the desktop, because whatever is added to the desktop, the lead CPP increases slightly. Over there, less results come for more money. Pay mobile phone is the best. Its CTP is well maintained there. There you get a good profit rate for less money. Use your desktop as a relief like your mobile phone. If he is giving one link in 10, then whatever desktop is there will give you one link in 15, 17, 18. So brother, the maximum users of mobile phones are only those with our mobile phones. There it is simple. Here you remove the audience network. Give it here. I want guys to have Facebook and Instagram here. Message me or anyone create your form here. Just take a little scroll. Here it will run in the place shown to you. Here it will run in Facebook feed. Here you can select it according to you or not. No problem at all. Instagram will run in the profile feed. So here I leave it. According to that, wherever you're recording your video, if it is a story type video, then you can add it to Instagram story here. Look in the feed, the size becomes a little smaller here. So brother, see how is your video. If you choose a big video, then you can add it to the story. If you are picking this type of video, then upload it there. It depends on the video, what type of video you are uploading here, then upload it here. Whatever ad you want to put, you can put it here through video. So this impression is very good, a lot of good leads. Come here, chances are created brother. Whatever you want to add, you will get everything here through your video. You will get a lot of options in this con to place proper ad. Okay, this is our headlines, this is our primary test, this is our media. Okay, why is our instant form here? Today you can do Messenger T. Let me teach you all this. Then you can set it up very easily without calls. If you connect Instagram, then people will message you on Instagram. And if you select it from instant form and Messenger, then brother, people will also message you on your Messenger, and you will fill up the instant form and submit it there. Then we simply do the next thing. Today we are going to learn this from you, how we can create our own instant form and everything here. Make it simple for you. Next and for now, our third page will remain here. The paid form is available here. So look here, simple. I had not done the pay ad form here. A little to you. I want you to see some video on media and CTO on action button. If you have a form here, see, I have not created any page of my own here. Then here is giving such an option that brother, you can create your page here. Select it here when you have created your page. Then you can directly create your according form. Here, my page is not selected there, but here, I will connect my page here first. Look at my page here. I will get my page connected first, only then my everything is formed there. By creating this, you must have created a page there. Create, you will see a simple option here. Here's the Facebook ad here. I am talking about Facebook ad. Here you will get to see the option of an instant form. Then after going there, how can you reach there? According to you, you will send a team there. People will enter their name first and then people will put their name there. I will try to create a page. From this account, so that you can understand it a little better. I will revise whatever session is held first. Will you put the headline on it? Put it at the top and put it at the bottom. Address paper B. You will give everything a proper name so that people can fill it up there. You can do it yourself till this point. Then I remembered that, brother, not only my page is selected here, okay, it is simple. Right now I will tell you how to do it through website or messenger. Because of this, such option as my form was not visible here. Similarly, if you had added everything properly on the page, my form option, everything is visible here. You can easily select the prime tags. Tell me, brother, how can we get the primary test done by chatting with GPT? Brother, if you go to GPT, then you will have to write it there and you can get the description. You'll be equipped to launch Facebook lead ads that grow your email list, nurture leads, and ultimately convert them into paying customers for your Shopify store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials from IdeaPlex.